Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a one-step chocolate pound cake. This was my grandma's recipe and it's been a family favorite for a very long time. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Then grease a bundt cake pan really well and dust it with cocoa powder. Keep shaking and tapping the pan until the entire inside is covered. Tap out the excess and set it aside for now. Then into a large bowl, add in the flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking soda, salt, softened butter, eggs that are at room temperature, vanilla extract, sour cream that's at room temperature, and mini chocolate chips, which is optional. And mix the ingredients with an electric mixer on low speed until the ingredients are combined. Then beat it on medium speed for another 3 minutes. Then mix it by hand, scraping down the sides and the bottom of the bowl so everything is mixed together. Then pour the batter into the prepared pan. Level out the top. And bake it in the oven for about an hour to an hour and 10 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the middle comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool in the pan for 15 minutes. Then use a butter knife to loosen it from the edges. Place the cooling rack upside down on top of the pan and flip it over so the cake falls out onto the cooling rack, and leave it to cool completely. To make the ganache topping, in a heat-proof bowl, add in the semi-sweet chocolate chips, butter, and corn syrup, and heat it in the microwave until it's melted, stirring every 15 to 30 seconds to make sure it's heating evenly. Then add in the vanilla extract and mix it in until it's combined. Then add the ganache into a plastic bag. Once the cake is completely cooled, transfer it to your serving plate. Cut off the corner of the bag with the ganache in it and drizzle it all over the top of the cake. You can top it with whatever you like, whether it's this ganache, powdered sugar, or you can just leave it plain. And leave it until the ganache is set. You can place it into the fridge to speed up that process. And that's how to make a one-step chocolate pound cake. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.